Hello dears, welcome to Beauty of a Heart. I'm Lily, also known as Lulu. Today I will be sharing with you the DIY Dupe palette, which is the McGrath Mothership VII Define Rose. Quite a mouthful of words. In my previous DIY Dupe palette, somebody was asking me to dupe this palette. So I was thinking, why not just dupe this palette as well? Because firstly, I like the color story, which is rosy pink colors. I've always liked this kind of vibe. And secondly, I want to fully utilize my existing eyeshadows because they are taking a lot of space. So I'm running out of space for my new makeup items. Thirdly, McGrath, although I like the color story, I couldn't get it because McGrath is not a cruelty-free brand. Whereas I'm a cruelty-free user. So too bad. And lastly, McGrath is a luxury brand makeup. This palette costs 185 Sing dollar, which I can use this 185 Sing dollars to pay my bills. Wouldn't it be better? So dears, today I will be duping the colors. It will not be the exact same colors as McGrath's color, but it will be a similar color. So I will use mainly the hand swatch photos to find the replacement color. So let's get started. And today I'll be using all ColourPop's colors to dupe this palette because ColourPop is my favorite affordable brands. As I mentioned just now, not all the colors are exactly the same, they are very similar colors. At the same time, just basing on this photo, which is the palette color, in this palette there are lots of interesting colors. They seem to have dual chrome flip in them, but the replacement colors do not have all the dual chromes that it has over here. So that's why I based on the hand swatches photo because that would be more closer to what we can see on the eyes when it applied to our eyes. And while finding the replacement color, I'm actually quite addicted to this process already because I find that it's very fun to explore the colors around and to fully utilize my existing collections. So dears, if you already have a fair amount of collections like me, please look at your existing color first because especially now that it's festive season, a lot of companies are coming out with new products. So too many products, not enough space and money. So just look at our existing palettes and eyeshadow colors to see whether do we really need to buy new products. So let me start off with the first color from the hand swatch. Color sequence is different from the hand swatches to the palette colors. And as I was mentioning, I will just base mainly on the hand swatches photo to find the deep colors. And the first color from the hand swatch will be the Skin Show Nude. It's described as Champagne Platinum. I can't find the exact same colors, so I only found this ColourPop Rendezvous, this Flink, which is slightly darker than Skin Show Nude from the Define Rose palette. The color is more cool than the dupe color. So now this is the second color from the hand swatch. The color is Sable Bronze from the McGrath Define Rose palette. It's described as Luminous Bronze Brown. And here we have ColourPop Now palette, My Way. This is a true vibrant bronze. This is the third color from the hand swatches photo, Rose Dusk. It's described as a mid-tone rose setting. And here I have element of surprise in the color Peace of Mind. This is more pink and this is metallic. Fourth color we have at the hand swatches picture will be VR Rose Venus. It's described as a golden rose duochrome. Here I have Rendezvous in the color Catch. This is more to the copper and more orangey than the Rose Venus. Coming to the next color, Extra Solstice. This is described as a glittery platinum. And here I have You Had Me at Hello DTR. From the screen, it seems like a spot-on dupe. Next color from the hand swatch photos, Extreme Mahogany. Mahogany. It's described as a rich mahogany matte. Over here, I have this color, Sparks Fly. It's a repeated color between the You Had Me at Hello and also Sweet Nothing. This is also a spot-on dupe. Coming to this color, Bellareal, is described as a tube rose matte. Here I have two options, which is firstly the ColourPop Fame palette, color name is Stardom. This is more taupe than rosy, but I find that this color is more similar than the Valerial. And next, the dupe color will be from the All I See Is Magic palette in the color Teacup. This color seems lighter than Valerial and is more rosy than taupe. Next, come to this color Love Lace from the hand swatch. This is described as a luminous pink bronze. I have two options over here. These two dupe colors seem very similar to each other, but they are described as copper instead of bronze. But from the hand swatch photos, actually these two colors also seems very similar to Love Lace. If you would have asked me which is a closer match, then I would say I think I Love You Level Up, which is the first dupe color. And this is Brunch Date, is a collaboration between Zuii and ColourPop in the color Cinnamon Sugar. This is described as a bright purple. Now touching on to the color Refined Gold 002. This is described as a gleaming golden platinum. But to me, this color seems like a soft coral or soft peach with a gold flip. And here I have two dupes for this color, which is firstly from the Zodiac in the color, which is the color Delio. And Delio is a soft coral with a gold flip. And I find that this color is the most matching of the Refined Gold 002. And this is the second color dupe, which is from the Sweet Talk palette, Melody. This is a rose with a gold flip color. Coming to the last color, this is in the color Iridescent Pink 003. It's described as Opalescent Pale Rose. I don't have any color like that. Here, this is the ColourPop single eyeshadow in the color On Defense, which I think the original color is more pink than this On Defense. And the second color dupe will be from the Midnight Masquerade Spinning Wheel. This is definitely not similar at all from the original color, but this is a dual chrome opal with a pink flip. So after comparison, I think that the first color dupe will be more matching. That's all for the dupe color swatching. Guess how do you find the dupe colors? Is it similar or you have other ways to dupe it? If you have, please comment in the comment section below, so that we can exchange ideas. Thank you so much. If you have the palettes that I mentioned just now, it will be great. Otherwise, if you are looking for a color story that is very similar to the Divine Rose, you might want to consider getting this. Give it to me straight from ColourPop because it's so much cheaper. It's not exactly the same color dupe or the color story. This has mauve colors, some pinky rose colors in this. It has the same kind of vibe, not similar color story though. And next, let's move on to how I achieved this eye makeup look with the color dupes I mentioned just now. And that's all for the sharing today. Hope this video will help you to save some money and also fully utilize your existing palettes collection. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. The rose is without an explanation. She blooms because she blooms. Thank you so much for watching till now. If you happen to like this video, please help me to click like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. And if this is the first time you visit this channel, hello, welcome. This channel features cruelty-free products review and also inner beauty tips. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much again for coming to visit me and your support. And may you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye!